On this video today, I'm going to show you a free strategy that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, because everything that I'm about to show you in this video is free and you can do it wherever you are in the world. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of different CPA marketing networks that you can join, but in this case I'm using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world you can search for CPA Group and then create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to find offers to promote. To find offers, you have to come right here. Once you're here, click on offer tools. Once you click on it, click on my offers. Once you click on my offers, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select a specific offer that you can promote to make money from home. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can select to make money from home. There are a lot of different offers on CPA Group that you can promote to earn money from home, even if you're a complete beginner. One good thing about CPA offers is that you don't need a sale. All that you need to do is that you have to promote the offer so that your potential visitors can take a specific action so that you can be making money. The actions can be email and zip code submit, it can be pin code submit, it can be mobile install or credit card submit. Any of those actions that your potential visitors take, you are going to be earning money. They are not required to purchase anything. All that they need to do is that they have to take a specific action so that you can be paid. For example, you can see the first offer. Your potential visitors are required to enter their email and zip code submit so that they can stand the chance of winning £1,000 towards iPhone 15 Pro, and you are going to be paid $2.22. They don't need to purchase anything. All that they need to do is that they have to enter their email and zip code and you are going to be paid. You can see this offer, the requirement is credit card submit, so your potential visitors have to enter their credit card details so that they can start a Boxer trial and you are going to be paid. The next one, you can see mobile install, so your potential visitors are required to install a mobile app and you are going to be paid. You can see you are going to be paid 60 cents. There are many offers on this platform, so you can search and then find any offer that you want to promote. CPA offers are geo-specific. That means each of the offers has a specific location where it is allowed to be promoted. So for example, all these offers that you are seeing on your screen, you have to promote them to people who live in the United Kingdom so that they can click on your affiliate link and then take the specific action so that you can be paid. If you promote any of these offers to a different location apart from the United Kingdom, when people click on your link, they are not going to get access to these same offers. They are going to get access to offers that are allowed in their country. So what you have to do is that you have to always search for a country where you have a traffic source so that you can get offers that are allowed in that country, and you have to promote those offers to the people who live in the country that you have searched for so that they can take the specific action for you to make money. One good factor that you must consider before selecting a country is the payout. You have to search for a country where you can get offers that have higher payout. As you can see, all these offers, most of them, the payout is very low. So what you have to do is that you have to search for different countries so that you can get offers that have higher payout. In this case, I've done the research and I've found that offers in Ireland, most of them have higher payout. So you are going to search for Ireland so that you can get offers that have higher payout. When you promote offers like that, anytime you get a conversion, you're going to be earning a lot of money. To select a country, what you have to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you can select any country that you want. So apart from Ireland, you can select any other country that you want and then get offers to promote. In this case, I have a traffic source which we can use to get people who live in Ireland to click on our affiliate link and then enter the required details so that we can be paid. So search for Ireland. Just search for Ireland. Once you search for Ireland, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can find offers that are available for you to promote. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this offer right here. You are going to be paid $6.84 per every conversion that you get. Your potential visitors, they are required to enter a PIN. They have to enter their mobile numbers. Once they enter their mobile numbers, a PIN will be sent to them and they have to enter that PIN so that they can get the offer, and you are going to be paid $6.84. The next one, your potential visitors are required to enter their credit card details so that they can start Boxer short trial. Once they enter their credit card details, you are going to be paid $3.42. You can see the next offer, you are going to be earning 60 cents per every mobile installation. So when your potential visitors install a mobile app, you are going to be paid. The next one, you are going to be earning $60.84. Your potential visitors are required to submit a PIN so that they can get access to games. Once they enter the pin, you are going to be paid $6.84. So just select any of these offers that you want. In this case, we are going to be promoting this because the payout is a little bit high. So click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see the warning. You have to promote to people who live in Ireland. You can see it right here. If you want a tracking domain, you can click right here. Once you click on it, select any tracking domain that you want. You can see a whole lot of different tracking domains. You can see this is the description of the offer. Your potential visitors, they have to enter their mobile number so that they can download the latest game. You can see it right here. Now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Ireland to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that you can be paid $6.84. You can see it right here. The traffic source that we're going to be using today is yalwa.ie. I've shown you this website before, but at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a secret way that you can use this website to promote a lot of CPA offers from different countries. The best part is that this website is free. You can use it to promote your affiliate links. You can use it to promote any link that you want without paying for anything. You can see in Ireland, these are the locations. You can see the popular locations. You can see all of them. So what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account so that you can use the website to promote your affiliate links. To create an account, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, My Yalwa. Once you are here, click on Home. Once you click on Home, you're going to see a page like this. Click on Register in 20 seconds. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Enter your email address here. Once you enter your email address, click on I'm not a robot. Once that is done, click on Register. Once you click on Register, they are going to send you an activation link that you can use to create your accounts for free. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, List Your Business Now. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, List Your Business. Once you click on List Your Business, the next step is that you have to select the category of your business. You can see they have building and construction, they have business services, computer and internet, entertainment and lifestyle. You can see financial and legal, food and drink, health and beauty, industry, property, and the rest. So any category that best match the offer that you are promoting, you can select it. In this case, you are promoting a gaming offer. So what you have to do is that you have to come on the shopping. Once you're on the shopping, click on it. Once you click on it, you can see a whole lot of different subcategories under shopping. You can see a whole lot of them. They have clothing, they have electronics, food. You can see case, music, phones, and the rest. So select the one that best match the offer that you are promoting. In this case, the offer is a game. So click on toys and games. Once you click on toys and games, you can see toys, video games. Select video games. Once you select video games, click on proceed. Once you click on proceed, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to begin entering the details of your ad. The first one is the company name, so you can enter the title of the ad here. To get a title for your ad, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Grip and then highlight the title of the offer. It is not always the case that you should highlight and copy the title of the offer. You can put in your own title if you want. If you want, you can also copy the title of the offer on CPA Grip. Once you have the title of the offer, you have to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the description, you can write brief description about the offer, or you can go back on CPA Grip and then copy the description of the offer. So just come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, highlight and then copy the description. Once you highlight and copy the description, you have to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Grip, highlight and copy the one. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to insert the image of the offer. You can see company logo. You can insert many images of the offer. You can see you can insert up to 20 images. So just come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, right click on the offer image, select save image as. Once that is done, click on save so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you save the image onto your device, the next step is that you have to upload it. So click on this plus sign. Once you click on it, select the image, click on open, and you can see the image has been uploaded. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter your affiliate link here. So you have to come back on CPA Grip and then click on copy link. Once you copy your link, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see phone number. If you want to enter your phone number, you can do that, but in this case, I'm not going to enter anything. You can see fax number. If you want, you can enter that. I'm not going to do that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see street or intersection. You can get a fake Ireland address and then enter the details here. So just come on Google and then search for fake Ireland address. Fake Ireland address. Once you search for it, click on the first website or any of these websites. Just click on it. You'll be able to get a fake address. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see the different addresses that you can select. There are 6 addresses, so just select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to select this address. So highlight and copy the street name. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to select the city and the county. So just come back. Once you come back, you can see county. So highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it here. Once that is done, you can see there is no match. So let's delete the county and see if there is a match. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to enter the postal code. So just come back. You can see this is the postal code. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see remember for future listing. Click on it. Once that is done, the next step is that you're going to click on preview so that you can see how your ad will appear. As you can see, this is the preview of your ad. You can see everything. If there is a mistake in your ad, you can click right here, edit, so that you can make the changes. But in this case, everything is alright, so I'm going to go ahead and then post it. To post it, click on post your entry. Once you click on post your entry, you're going to see a page like this. You can see your listing. Access your content now. Put your listing in front of more eyes and increase the number of inquiries by up to 10 times. So if you want any of these options, you can select it and then make a payment. These are premium options, meaning you have to pay, but in this case we are not going to pay for anything. You want to post it for free so that when we get a conversion, you can go ahead and then use the premium options. So just click right here, proceed, so that you will not pay anything. Once you click on proceed, you can see we have received your listing. After review of your listing, you will receive an email confirming its activation. So once your ad is reviewed and then published onto the website, they will notify you so that you get to know that your ad has been posted. So make sure you keep on posting a lot of ads onto the platform. Make sure you keep on posting a lot of ads onto the platform so that you can get a lot of traffic. Let me now show you the secret that you can use to make a lot of money on this website. As you can see right here, when you click on the flag, you can see different countries that this website is available. So what you have to do is that you have to select the specific country. Once you select it, go back on CPA group, find an offer that is allowed in that country and then post it onto the website. You can see a whole lot of different countries that this website is available. So select the country that have offers with higher payout. Once you select it, you can post your ads for free without paying for anything. So you can see a whole lot of different countries. Just select any of these countries that you want and then post your ad. For example, if you want to post an ad in Canada, click on Canada. Once you click on it, they will show you the Canada version of this website. As you can see, the Canada version of this website is yalwa.ca. So anytime you post an ad using this website address, your ad is going to be displayed to people who live in Canada. So that is the secret way that you can use this website to make money with CPA offers. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.